This is why you have to follow Bobby D. Yesterday, I did a short clip on the new study of Viagra reducing the risk of Alzheimer's by almost 70%. Remember I did a little clip yesterday? And then last night, he must have saw my clip, let's face it. Some small cable guy named Tucker, he did the piece. Let's take a listen to Tucker's take on the piece I did yesterday.
Doctor, thanks for joining us. Is this true?
Tucker, I think it's true. I'll take you back to the 1990s when this drug, sildenafil or Viagra, a phosphodiesterase inhibitor, was first developed. We developed it for high blood pressure.
Developed for high blood pressure. Okay, didn't I tell you that yesterday? Developed for high blood pressure.
And in studying it, nurses noticed a very unexpected finding which led to its current use. But then it was used for lungs, to treat lung disease, and now it's being used and studied to treat heart disease. It has more and more uses because it dilates blood vessels. It improves blood flow.
It has more and more uses because it dilates blood vessels and enhances blood flow. Now, this is, again, the medical field telling you that Viagra does this. When in 1998, 3 scientists were awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine for them telling you, for discovering the same thing about a natural miracle molecule known as nitric oxide does the same thing. See what's happening here, folks? A drug company, a drug that costs billions to produce and costs millions to manufacture and charges the customers millions. The drug is claiming that it relaxes blood vessels and enhances blood flow, when no, nitric oxide, the phenomenon of nitric oxide that can be ascertained in the body naturally. You can do it through food. Now, most people are not going to do it through food. They're not going to eat the right diet to generate nitric oxide in the body. Thus, that's where ProArg comes into effect. Do you know ProArginine has got 3 clinical studies? 3. Nutritional supplements don't do clinical studies. This one has 3. Number 1, proof to rapidly produce nitric oxide in the body. Proven in a clinical. Number 2, myoperoxidase. What the hell is that? Well, myoperoxidase is an enzyme that inhibits the production of nitric oxide. ProArginine, guess what ProArginine does? Smacks myoperoxidase around. Ooh. So not only does it rapidly increase nitric oxide into the body, it smacks around the enzyme that blocks it. Ooh. Nice. And of course, the 3rd clinical that they did was a trial on 33 severely ill heart patients and did 18 tests a week. And all they did was find that after 90 days, 37 markers in the blood were all improved on every single person in the study. But Pfizer is going to tell you that Viagra is doing that. Viagra is now amazing. Not only does it get your penis hard, but it also is helping with your heart, and now it's going to help with Alzheimer's. Well, meanwhile, nitric oxide, Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1998 for the exact same findings.
Along comes Cleveland Clinic. They give it to over 7 million people. They monitor 7 million people, I should say, who are getting it. And they found a 69% decrease in Alzheimer's disease over just 6 years. Incredible numbers. Over 7 million people, 69% decrease.